This repair video for the P0128 error code is specifically tailored for Nissan drivers. If your Nissan is showing a P0128 code, this is for you. It indicates that the engine has not reached the required temperature level within a specified amount of time. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty thermostat, low coolant level, faulty coolant temperature sensor, cooling fan issues, intake air temperature sensor problems. Here are two simple practical methods to fix the problem. Method A, the ECT sensor. In most cars, the primary ECT sensor is installed near the thermostat in the cylinder head. Remove the ECT sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the ECT sensor at an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The sensor resistance is between 2,000 ohms to 3,000 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. However, if the ECT sensor has a correct reading, then we will proceed Method B. Method B, the thermostat. In most cars, the thermostat is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine. The engine has to be cool before attempting the process, and then install a new thermostat to install it correctly. You need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose and the deep end goes towards the engine. When you install it back to the engine, make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine, so the air can get through the system. So here are two most of the practical methods to fix the P0128 error code. It occurs in a wide range of cars from different manufacturers, including Chevrolet, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, GMC, and more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.